Hi friends, it's Julia and we are on day 25 of the best of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is a page map sketch and it is a 4-photo sketch. So I have my 4 photos here and I have all of my papers and embellishments pulled that I think I might use on this layout, but I still might pull some different things in. I have wood veneer, I have enamel dots, I have enamel hearts, puffy hearts, more puffy hearts, the last bit of this fringe. I have a pocket page card. I have washi strips. I have those 2 sheets there. I have labels, both of those sheets. I have 2 different alphabets. I have the Millie Puffy, and then I have the Freckled Fawn from May of 22. And then I have a couple of scrap pieces of paper. I have all of that, and there's another border strip there. And then I have 2 solid sheets of paper. Both of these I'm going to use for my background. Love that teal color on that, and I'm tempted to use that, but I think with the green grass and the photos that I think this one will go better. Anywho, I'm going to pull those in, and I am officially into the second pack of paper that with this Millie kit, I pulled that green from there. So I had 1 of Gabby and 2 of Millie, and I've actually pulled the Millie in, the second paper pack of Millie in, because I'm getting really low on my scraps. Anywho, this is where I'm starting. Let me show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a second. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 25, and let me show you what I did not use. This is the original border strip that I cut out, that I was going to cut that scallop pattern down, and I didn't use it. It'll go back into my scrap pile. I didn't find a use for those rainbows, but I'm determined, y'all. I have these labels, and I did not use any of these. I used from the other pack. And then these are all the papers that I did use. I cut a portion of this off, and I cut down my floral paper. I cut down this background paper. That's the cut off from the base page, and then I added in some white cardstock in order to lift my photos some. I had to put some layers under there so it wouldn't be all bumpy and wobbly. So let me move those. I did use enamel dots. I did use the puffy stickers from both sheets and the enamel stickers, heart stickers. I take it back. I did not use these. I thought I did. Yeah, I did not use those. I did pull out these floral stitch dies, and I used the largest one. I think they're from Hit Kit. Anywho, I'm not sure, there's no identifier on the package and I don't remember. I did use the pocket page card that I pulled in. I did use a good portion of the fringe that I had, and I have just a little bit left over. These are the labels that I did use, and I used a yellow one from here. I did use all 3 sets of alphabets. I used this set, the Millie set, the Gabby set, and then this set from Freckled Fawn. And I did pull in a couple of embellishment pieces from the Sephemera collection that had from all the different kits. And here is the layout that I created. Another one where my granddaughter is playing in water, playing in a pool. So the photos are from July of 2019, and it's called Pool Day Playtime. And so I put my journaling here, and it says the other kids would come and go, but Zoe played all day in that silly little pool. It rained even during the day, and she stayed in it during the rain. She was a die-hard pool fan. Anywho, so there are my fringe bits down here, and that's why I had to lift that photo up some with some cardstock so that it wouldn't bow up down here at the end. I have the labels, an ephemera bit label here, that's the sticker label, and then I added that chipboard piece, the puffy hearts and enamel hearts. There is the border that I put there. That's the other border that I pulled in that pink shade. I cut this pocket page card in half, and you can see the detail on that flower there, die cut. I just flipped it over. I didn't use the red side up. I used the grid side up. So the back side has that grid, and so I ran it right across the middle. Used a chipboard piece here, used a tab up there from the ephemera, and then a couple more of the hearts, and then I used some enamel dots here, and more puffy hearts here. Yeah, and I'm calling this one done. It's another one that's ready for the album. If you're interested in seeing other layouts that I have created for this challenge, you can check the playlist on my channel, and it is hashtag 30DS, or sorry, hashtag best of 30DS with CBL. Hashtag 30DS CBL. The same as the larger playlist that everybody is adding to from the Facebook group. Anywho, if you want to see the rest of the series, we are on a wind down. This is layout number 25. I have about 5 more to go to get to day 30. If you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you're subscribed to my channel, and then hit that bell notification so that you will be notified when I upload my video tomorrow. I appreciate you guys for being here. I appreciate you for watching my video. And if you'd like to see close-ups of the layout, please stick around. I'll have close-ups at the end. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.